Okay, no more sound. Okay, sorry about that. No more sounds. We've begun the record, or I've begun the recording. Theo, we can film an intro later. We can film an intro later, Theo. It's fine. No. Alright. Yep. Wait, your mic's on, right? Oh, nah. We're requeuing. Wait, guys, we have to requeue. No. Guys, we can't, guys, we can't do this. There was two level 50s. We're gonna get rolled. I go down. Hey! You know, this is my reaction to not getting a gen.
Huh?
Chat, I'm bridging the I'm mid. Oh, I died. Dang it.
Huh?
You need some locks? I got you, bro. Best team. Let's go. Well, I'm going for yellows, but they have a crappy defense. Get out! Thank you for a fan base in India. Oh my god. We're cutting that part out. I just fell and died. Wait, Owen, upgrade the gen again. Dang, that hurt, man. That hurt. We're showing all of our embarrassments. Really? Oh nah. I feel bad for this guy. He just died. Okay, chat. I say screw yellow. Chat, yellow wants to smoke. Hiya! Nope, it's just wool. And bed is gone. Oh crap! Oh, there you get that final kill. Did you not get that final kill? You're still chasing. Yeah. And our stinky teammate. Okay, so we got a diamond sword. Theo, you want to rush green? Oh crap, they actually know what they're doing. We must prove our dominance. I haven't played Minecraft in 2 days. So, I'm won. If I die, it's because I haven't played in 2 days. So, yeah. Yep, definitely. Boing. Chat, we can fully upgrade our gen. Let's go. What is our teammate doing? He's just running around. Wait a sec, let me upgrade the gen. Bro, what is red doing, bro? They're making a fort. Oh my god, green is dookie. Oh, wait. Theo, you want a diamond sword? Oh yeah, red. You don't want the smoke, buddy. Come here. Oh god. Theo. Chat, I'm fighting them, it's fine. Chat, I can't let them win. Well, at least I killed one of them, so I don't care. I'm going in with my fist. Oh my god, I don't... Oh, is that a freestone sword? Yoink. There's only two red guys left. I can take them. It's fine. Oh god, they both got iron swords. Crap. Or I think they both have iron swords. Yes, they do. 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 Oh, I'm dead. Hmm? Oh my gosh. No! Wait, I have an axe. I'm coming. It's fine, guys. I have an iron sword. The iron sword will clutch. The iron sword will clutch. Bro, who does this guy? Oh, crap. Oh my god, I can't combo. Oh, let's go. Oh wait, there's one red guy left. I'm getting him. I can speed bridge. He fell, or no, he left. He left the game. That's kind of crazy, bruh. He ran out of arrows and he just gave up, man. That's depressing. Well, well, well. If it isn't green, Bolt was worth plotting. I got you, Theo! Oh my god, get juggled! Get juggled! Crap, I'm low! No! No, I'm so low! I'm so low! I'm so low! God, we're recording this. Second real combo? No way. Bro, that was a great video. I watched the whole thing. Yep. Your fan base in India probably feels blessed, man. It's kind of crazy. To all of Theo's fan base in India, thank you. Okay, chat. Chat. Okay, our bed defense is pretty dripped out. No, it's literally a shell of Deep Slate. It's almost like we're trying to break each other's beds. Oh really? Really? Where are they? Oh, they are? They just shown? Ah! We don't talk about that. To be fair, I didn't see it coming. Oh! That was mine! Alright. Yay! Whoa. Stop.